live-action Mulan movie, I have a cute little jewelry DIY to get you in the Disney mood. I adore the animated movie, and I am really going to miss characters like Mushu and all of the music, but I am super excited to see a new take on it. In the meantime, let's get down to business. For this craft, I'm using glue, gold paint, a small hole punch, a regular and a foam paintbrush, earring hooks, jump rings, two 2-inch by 4-inch paper rectangles, and a piece of paper to protect the table. First, I'm folding each rectangle with an accordion fold. Try to aim for 12 or 14 folds. Next, I'm unfolding them so I can punch a decorative hole in each panel like Mulan's fan had in the animated movie. Do this on both sides. Before I move on, I'm painting the back with my gold paint. You could skip this step, but it will ensure an overall more polished and chic look for the earrings. And besides, who doesn't like a little extra gold shimmer? Once the paint is dry, I'm applying a thin layer of glue to the top edge of both sides of my rectangle. All of this gets folded and pinched back together and secured with a clothespin to dry. This is the perfect opportunity to fluff out the edges of my fan. Now, taking my paintbrush while the glue is still drying, I'm brushing a little more gold paint along the bottom of the fan for a pretty accent. As a final touch, I'm taking my gold paint again and painting the very top of the fan where it's glued. Once everything is dry, it's time to assemble the earring. Taking a jump ring, I'm threading the fan and an earring hook onto it and sealing everything together. Repeat for the second earring, and I have a beautiful set of dangly paper fan earrings. These are so nice and light and fun to wear. Just remember not to wear them in the rain when you're singing Reflection. If you decide to try making these earrings, please let me know in the comments below or share a photo with me on Instagram. As always, please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed following along with me, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Until next time, I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye!